Hello everyone! Today we're going to be going over our photosynthesis lesson. We are preparing you for your quiz on Friday, so let's go ahead and get started. Our standard for our photosynthesis lesson is to recognize that plants use energy from the sun, air, and water to make their own food. All right. Sorry about that. All right, so plants need energy to grow and reproduce. Photosynthesis is a process plants use to make its own food. And I went ahead and put a little sun up here because the sun is how plants get their energy. The sun gives off energy that helps with the photosynthesis process. It's very necessary. Plants use the energy from sunlight to change water and carbon dioxide into sugars or food. So when you see the word sugars, you will think of food. That is the food that the plant is getting. So then I went ahead and broke it down here. It says sunlight goes to the water and carbon dioxide, which creates sugars or food. And that is how the food for the plant is made. Plants use sugars for growth or to store energy. So now let's talk about the stomata. The stomata is like the nostrils of the plant, located on the bottom of the leaves. So it's right over here, and it's a little like open hole, and they open and close, which brings the carbon dioxide in from the air. So the stomata is where the plant takes in or absorbs carbon dioxide from the air, and it traps it. All right, so this is a little diagram of the photosynthesis process. We have sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water goes into the plant, gets absorbed, and comes out as glucose and oxygen. And I went ahead and wrote up here that chloroplast is the kitchen of the plant, and that's where photosynthesis takes place. So if someone says, where exactly in the plant does photosynthesis take place, you could say in the chloroplast. And you can think of it as the kitchen of the plant. That's where the food is made. And humans and other living things use the oxygen that plants release into the air to breathe. Thank you, plants. So we give off carbon dioxide and plants give off oxygen. And we need oxygen, plants need carbon dioxide, so we help each other. It goes hand in hand. So we help the plants and the plants help us. All right, so let's go ahead and do a quick little review. Our first question is, plants need sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to make their own food. What does the plant get from sunlight? So think about it. Go ahead and do your A, B, C, D. Lift up your fingers. Does the plant get sunlight? Does the plant get energy from sunlight? Does the plant get oxygen from sunlight? Does the plant get carbon dioxide from sunlight? Or does the plant get food from sunlight? Give you a few seconds. All right, let's see. The plant gets energy from sunlight. Remember, the solar energy comes from the sunlight and goes to the plant. Oxygen is what the plant releases after photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide is what comes from the air, not the sunlight. And food is what is created after the photosynthesis process. So energy, the plant gets energy from sunlight. Very good. Let's do another one. Which of the following is necessary for plants to make their own food? Is oxygen necessary? Are rocks necessary? Soil or sunlight? Go ahead and lift up your finger for your answer. All right, let's see which one is necessary. Sunlight is necessary. Oxygen, let's go through the choices. So oxygen is what the plant releases at the very end of making food. It's not necessary to start the process. We didn't even talk about rocks or soil in this process, but we did talk about sunlight and how it's necessary to start the photosynthesis process. Very good. All right, the picture below shows the items that are needed for photosynthesis, as well as the items that are made from the process. Which item needed for photosynthesis comes directly from the air? Think about what I just mentioned earlier. Which one comes directly from the air? Is water directly from the air, oxygen, carbon dioxide, or sunlight? Remember, from the air. Let's see. Perfect. Carbon dioxide comes directly from the air. Water comes from rain or watering plants. Oxygen is released from the plant. Carbon dioxide is absorbed from the air, and sunlight is absorbed from the sun. So carbon dioxide comes from the air. Awesome job. All right, that is the end of our review. You will have a test this upcoming Friday, your entire unit test. So I will be posting our previous slideshows so you can review. And I believe that is it. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and let me know if you have any questions at all. Bye.